I will show you make a Duble Exposure design in Adob Photoshop. Open Layers. Add new layer. Select Brush tool. Make sure that the color white is selected. Now move the brush over the image. Open new image. Now grab the image and drag. Open Layers. Right-click and select Create Clipping Mask. Select Brush tool. Brush around 70%. Now move the brush over the edges of the image. Open Layers. Select Layer 1. Open Layer Style. Select Blending Options. Copy Settings. Click Drop Shadow. Opacity 100%. Angel 75%. Distance for percent. Spread to percent. Size 55%. Press OK. Complete designs. Thanks for watching.